One of the most talked about vehicles of 2025 will be the comeback of a legendary sports roadster, the Honda S2000. Honda fans have been anticipating a new model for a long time, and the 2025 model is expected to meet their expectations in terms of innovation, style, and performance. The S2000 has a long history of providing exciting rides, and this new version will carry on that tradition while incorporating technological upgrades to stay up with the times. An entirely redesigned turbocharged engine will power the 2025 S2000. This new engine is an improvement over its normally aspirated predecessors in terms of power-to-fuel ratio. The exhilarating ride is guaranteed by reports that it will produce more than 315 horsepower. Honda has stayed loyal to its track-oriented origins by concentrating on suspension and chassis refinement to improve handling and cornering. The 2025 S2000 is a design mashup of retro and contemporary styles. The original S2000's distinctive profile is maintained by keeping the tall bonnet and small rear deck. But in 2025, it gets sleeker, more aerodynamic, and has sharper lines with LED headlights. The Roadster's exterior can be customized to express the driver's individuality with a range of striking colors. Inside, Honda has installed a plethora of contemporary conveniences and technology. The inside is designed with the driver in mind, with a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, and high-quality materials used extensively. Supportive seats are built for both sporty driving and long-distance cruising, putting an emphasis on comfort. Although it is a small roadster, Honda has made excellent use of space to provide an atmosphere that is both functional and opulent. With the addition of Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of innovative driver assist technology, the safety features have also been upgraded. This encompasses features like autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assistance. Whether cruising down a city street or taking to the open road, drivers can rest easy thanks to these state-of-the-art safety measures. Along with speed and good looks, the 2025 Honda S2000 prioritizes environmental friendliness. Honda has made significant efforts to reduce this model's environmental impact by prioritizing fuel economy and employing lightweight materials. The S2000 is anticipated to satisfy demanding emissions regulations without sacrificing thrilling acceleration or handling, even if it has turbocharged power. We don't yet know how much the 2025 Honda S2000 will cost, but we can assume it will be competitive with similar high-end sports vehicles. For drivers seeking a happy medium between cost and performance, it will provide a premium experience at a price point likely beginning at $50,000. This model is sure to be a hit thanks to Honda's legendary dependability and meticulous attention to detail. Ultimately, the 2025 Honda S2000 appears to be a respectable continuation of its forerunners. It keeps all the great things about the original while adding new features that drivers today love. No matter how long you've been a fan of the S2000 or how new you are, this next-gen roadster is sure to satisfy your needs for style, performance, and excitement.
Thanks for watching.